Hey guys, so I'm filming the finale for my rolling sample project pan where I was working on sample and full-size hair, skin, and body products. It's only been a week since my last update, and it's just kind of where the video fell this month because there are a lot of different wrap-ups to be doing. So I do have 2 empties from the past week, which is exciting, but there are several products that I was close on, so I'm bummed I can't show them, but they may be done by my 2023 intro, and they should definitely be done by the time I film my updated inventory. So I will still be happy with that, and then I'll just count them towards my yearly empties for next year. So for this finale video, I've done it this way for a couple years now, and I like it. It's like a bunch of things in one. So first I'm going to show you the things that I have used up or decluttered since last update. I'm going to give you my numbers on all of the different hair, skin, and body products that I used up this year, as well as how many things I decluttered. And then I'm going to tell you which things I would buy in the full size from the samples I used up this year. I will also be including some full size products that I got as freebies. So it will be a little bit of samples I'd buy in the full size slash free products I'd spend my own money on sort of deal. So starting with the 2 empties, first is the skincare product I was really close on last time, the Murad Deep Relief Acne Treatment. This is just a little 5 ml size. This is a newer product, and this is good. I have had a lot of hormonal acne recently, and this did a great job of really bringing down the size of my pimples. So it's something that I would consider buying in the future, but I have several other spot treatments right now that I'm wanting to try out to see what I like the best, but this was a very good product. Then I did finish this body wash that I had gotten in a subscription box, the Bubble Tea Lavender Tea Body Wash. It had 100 mils or 3.38 fluid ounces. I think that's a full size, I'm not quite sure. This was nice. It did do a good job at lathering. It says this is suitable for vegans, but this was a good product. I liked it. I wouldn't repurchase. I'm fine just sticking with the very affordable semi-annual sale Bath & Body Works shower gels. And then I have just one declutter, and that would be from Dominique, the Skin De-Stress CBD Cheek and Eye Cream Corrector. I did try it like once, and I do think it's a nice product, but I think it would just be an extra step to add to my routine because I wear makeup every day. My foundation covers my redness, but my friend Jean has a little bit more redness than me on her cheeks, and girl gets up early to drive the school bus. So she might really be able to get some good use out of this, and I'm excited to see how well it works for her. So now for my empties, I have broken down the hair, skin, and body product categories into foil samples, deluxe size samples, and full size products. So starting with hair, I finished 9 foil samples, and I do count shampoo and conditioner as 2 separate products. 25 deluxe size samples and 4 full size hair products. Not surprised there that there's not more than that. So I finished 38 hair products total. For skincare, I finished 27 foil samples, 38 deluxe size samples, and 22 full size products, which is amazing. Also 2 packs of travel makeup wipes, but I'm not counting those. So minus the wipes, I finished 87 skincare products total, which is so amazing. For body products, no foil samples. For deluxe size samples, I finished 11, and then I finished 7 full size products, so 18 body products total. I did also finish up some brush cleaners, deodorant, nail polish remover, but I did not include that in my numbers. This is really, I think, a couple hand sanitizers, body wash, lotion, body scrubs. So that would be a total of 143 products used up. And then I decluttered 57 products this year, which is crazy. So do not worry though. Very few of those things I actually purchased myself. A lot of these things were things that I had gotten in PR or got as free gifts. And these are things that I had put in my collection with the intent of keeping and then later decided to declutter. I do get tons of skincare PR, luckily, and there are some things where right away I pass it on to somebody else. I never count it as a product of mine that I later declutter. So 143 empties plus 57 declutters would be 200 hair, skin, and body products that left my collection this year. That's amazing. That's so much. I can't wait to do my inventory for you guys to see how my numbers have gone down and products have changed and whatnot, but 200 products out of my collection feels amazing. Now let's talk about the hair, skin, and body products that I tried this year that I would repurchase / purchase in the full size. Starting with hair. My favorite dry shampoo of all time, the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo. I wish that this went on sale more often. It is not always included in the dry shampoo day at Ulta. It wasn't this past year, which was so sad to me. But I have been able to snag some with some different coupons and whatnot, but this is incredible. This is the only dry shampoo I found that is still available that soaks up all the oil in my hair, gives a little bit of volume, and has a great scent. I had to get used to the scent at first because it is pretty strong, but I really love this. It is so, so good. Then for some regular shampoo and conditioners, I have 3. First is the Moroccan Oil Purple Shampoo. Very good. A little drying, but I'm fine with that because I have very greasy roots, so that ended up being fantastic. Very purple, will stain your hands. Then something that is a little bit more subtle of a blonde shampoo conditioner would be from Dry Bar, the Blonde Ale. Now I would say the conditioner is not as conditioning as I would like. I have very oily roots and very dry ends, so I prefer more of a hair mask, but I did really enjoy them. I've gotten several more minis and I've used them up. I really like it. I would definitely be interested in buying that. And then the other one I really loved, which I think that they either repackaged or reformulated, I hope it's just repackaged. The Madison Reed Color Protecting Shampoo and Conditioner did not make my hair greasy, felt hydrated enough, felt very clean. So because all of those are high-end shampoo and conditioners, I would buy them if I could get them like 40–50% off. Then 2 leave-ins I absolutely loved. I used up so many different versions of the It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product, but the original is still my favorite. Right now, I'm working on the light version. I like that one a lot as well. The other versions I've tried though, not for me. Not the silk, not the blonde, not the keratin. I tried the Potion 10, that was good, but original or light. And luckily, I won't need to buy any for a year for sure, but that is almost always included in the Ulta Black Friday Cyber Monday steals and sometimes in their hair event. And then another leave-in product I absolutely love is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Primer. Not the oil, I hate oily products, but the primer is so good. Works just as well as It's a 10, but I think I might like the scent on that one a little bit more. And I was just able to get a couple more minis with some Sephora orders, which I'm so excited about. Then for body products, only 2 things I tried and I absolutely loved. The first I got in a subscription box. You can get this from Look Fantastic and other places. Ameliorate, if I'm saying that correctly, their smoothing body exfoliant. This is a way more effective version of the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser. I tried that, it was okay. This is much, much better and you need less product. So this is something I would highly recommend for anybody that has KP. It is so good. I think they have lotion and other products as well, but I've just tried that body exfoliant and it's fantastic. The other thing I really enjoyed was the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream in the limited edition candy cane scent, and those came out for holiday last year. They brought them back this year. I think the same scents, or at least most of the same scents, but they changed the look of the packaging. The 2-ounce size is perfect for me because I tend to use this as a hand cream. I love minty scents. I love that candy cane scent, and I do still have a few more in my collection, so I won't need to repurchase it for now, but maybe next year. I don't really like lotions, but this one is my favorite because it's very deeply hydrating, but it does sink into the skin, doesn't leave any oily feelings. Now on to skincare. For cleansing balms, I like the one from Belief and from Pharmacy, but the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm is my absolute favorite. I am almost done with the one I'm using right now and I don't have any more backup, so I can't wait for it to go on sale at Ulta sometime next year so I can stock up on them. I absolutely love it. Great at breaking down my face and eye makeup without burning my eyes. Then for cleanser, Philosophy Purity, I have gone through so many of these. I know it's been out for forever and it's such a basic cleanser, but it really works for me. I like the scent and I like the texture and the way it makes my skin feel. I have several larger bottles of it and some minis. So I don't need to buy it anytime soon, but I will once I use up what I have. Then I have one toner I got as an Ulta gift, the Peach and Lily Good Acids Pore Toner. It's just very simple. It makes my skin feel clean, not greasy. I've used up a couple of these and I just really like it. Also, Pixie Glow Tonic is fantastic as well. I actually like that one a little bit better than the Paula's Choice. I found the Paula's Choice to be a little bit oily for me. Then for serums, I have several. The number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum is actually so nice. It's very smoothing on the skin. For serums, for me, it's just all about consistency and the way they feel on the skin, because I'm not really noticing the effects of them, but I really like that one. Sunday Riley Good Jeans. I think that's really good. Whenever I have a chance of getting minis, I jump at it and use them up. I was able to work through a full-size bottle this year. Really liked it, but again, at my age with my skin, it's more preventative in terms of the anti-aging. And my last serum is from Dominique, the Ultra Hydrating Dewy Skin Serum. They have a regular hydrating serum, but this is the dewy one. This is the only hyaluronic acid serum I've ever liked, because I don't necessarily think your face has to be wet. It is so hydrating, but not too greasy. So nice for nighttime for me through most of the year, but during winter, I think it would be good for day and night. I was lucky enough to get 2 more in PR from Dominique, so I'll have those for a little bit, but that's probably my favorite Dominique product that I've tried. It's very good. Then we have some moisturizers. The Dr. Zenobia Aloe Vera Blemish Soothing Moisturizer. That is my favorite Dr. Zenobia product that I've tried. It is refreshing, the perfect amount of moisture for my oily skin for the daytime. So glad I have some backups of that. Then of course, you guys know my love for the Belief Aqua Bomb for the daytime, Moisture Bomb for the nighttime. And then I was also able to try the Vitamin C moisturizer, and that is between Aqua Bomb and Moisture Bomb as far as like the level of moisture. So the Vitamin C cream is one that I think would be great for me for daytime in the winter, because sometimes with my skin, especially if it's winter and I just got out of the shower, I need a little bit more moisture than just the regular Aqua Bomb. So that's when the Vitamin C cream will really come in handy. Another moisturizer I absolutely love that I got in PR is from Replenix, the Age Restore Brightening Moisturizer. Again, I think they have an Age Restore, but this is the brightening one. This is a great daytime moisturizer for me for the winter when my skin is a little bit more dry. So it gives me that extra hydration, but doesn't feel heavy or greasy. Still works perfectly under makeup. And then I have an eye cream. The Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm is still my favorite. I've tried some others that I liked, like the Clarins Total Eye Lift, and I thought I liked it more than I did, but I'm so glad I got some more samples because the Belief is still my favorite. I have some more minis and a couple full sizes, so I am set, but I will repurchase again in the future. A surprise favorite of mine was the Glam Glow Bright Mud Dual Action Exfoliating Mask. It's in a light pink package. This is so good. The consistency wise is in between the white and the black mask. It just really gets in there and cleans without feeling way too strong. I really love it, but Glam Glow is just too expensive. But if I got it on a really good sale, I would go for it. And then the last thing would be the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Daily Peels. I have peel pads from a bunch of different brands, and I know that this is a 2-step process, but for some reason I feel like this makes my skin feel more resurfaced and cleaner than the other ones that I've tried. And right now I did see that they're on sale in the Sephora sale section because they made some sets for Black Friday. I'm tempted, but I have several peel pads that I got in PR from different brands that I need to use up first, but a really, really nice product. So those are all of the hair, skin, and body products that I used this year that I would repurchase. Some of these may have been repeats from last year, but there were a couple new discoveries this year that I absolutely loved. And let me know if you guys would like to see a video on like my all-time favorite skincare products, and I could throw in some hair and body as well. Let me know if that would be interesting or helpful for you guys. But thank you all so much for following along with all of these updates. I don't know how fun or interesting this is for you, but it makes me excited to use these type of products. And I've been so diligent about doing my morning and nighttime skincare every day for the past several months, which is amazing. I was really bad at the beginning of the year, so I am proud of myself for that. Again, I will be doing this project in 2023. I'm just gonna call it a non-makeup project pan because I don't have as many samples as I used to at the beginning of the year. So we will be working on full-size products that are going to be going a little bit slower, but I do feel like we should have some good empties, maybe not by the intro, but definitely by my first update of next year. We should have several full-size things used up, which is amazing. But I would love to hear your favorite hair, skin, and body products that you tried this year, or any samples that made you want to buy the full size, if you can remember. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.